Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Tonight I am going to show you how to make money on this NQ chart. It's using a couple indicators to trade every day with. It's very simple. It's live training tonight. It is Sunday actually this afternoon, Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're in the live webinar, when we get done, I will give a coupon code where you can actually save quite a bit of money if you decide to buy these indicators. There's no obligation. Join in, sit back, grab your snacks, grab your beverage, and just kick back. This will take usually an hour and a half, 2 hours. You can quit at any time you want. You don't have to keep watching. But you will be so involved with what we are doing, you won't want to hang up when we actually shut down. At the very end of the webinar, you will actually receive a copy of the video, so you'll be able to watch it again. You have to send me an email, and I give you all that information, then I'll send you out the email. Again, no obligation. There's no spam or anything like that. It's just I'm trying to teach everybody how to make some extra money. Two indicators that I use. You don't have to buy the indicator, but you will want to when the session is over. The coupon will expire tonight at midnight. So like I said, grab your snacks, sit back, get ready, get you a quiet room, get away from everybody, and let's learn how to trade these futures tonight. The link is in the description below. Click on that. Go ahead and pre-register. Once you pre-register, when the time starts at 4 p.m. sharp, I start it right on 4:00:00, not 1 second after. So get there. You can sign up early. You can get logged in early and just sit back. When I'm ready to go, the movie will start. And it's live questions and answers, so you'll be able to ask any question you want. There's a chat room. No one will see your questions. No one will know you're there. You ask the questions, and I will read off the question and answer it, and we'll try to get you trained better to trade futures. This works for all instruments too. NASDAQ, ES, Russell, the Dow Jones, bonds, oil, whatever you want to trade it with, this will work. Join tonight. Let me know how you like it, and I'll see you on the next video.